My wife and I, we've been looking for a new TV, and we decided to get this 49-inch LG 4K Ultra High Definition Smart TV. I'm going to go ahead and open up the box. Got a cable. This appears to be one of the part of the stand. One of the feet, I guess, that goes on one side of the TV at the base. Here's the other one. And we've got this phone protection. Styrofoam. And here's the TV. Of course, it's wrapped up. Back of the TV. It's significantly lighter, a lot lighter than the other LG that we had, or we still have, but this one is lighter. It's got some weight to it, but it's bigger. Our old TV is a 42-inch TV. This is a 49-inch TV. We just finished installing the TV, or mounting the TV to the TV stand, and plugged the TV into the wall.
LG TV provides audio guidance for the visually impaired. Do you want to turn off audio guidance? No, yes. Yes, button.
Yes. All right, home mode is for watching TV in a home environment. That's what we want. Okay. Oh, so we want wireless. What's up, everyone? I'm back. So my wife and I have been enjoying the television over the past few days. We find that the picture quality is great. The colors are vibrant, and the picture is just very crisp. It's a smart TV, so it has it's Wi-Fi, it's internet capable, and you can connect to the internet by Wi-Fi, and as I understand it, through an Ethernet connection, a line connection as well. We have hooked it up to the internet connection that we have using the Wi-Fi feature, and it works well. I like the apps that are integrated into the smart TV, and I'm just very pleased with the purchase. I'm glad that I got this particular model. It's, I mentioned before, lighter than my old LG. It's significantly lighter. I think the old TV must be twice as heavy. In terms of the user interface, I think it's very intuitive. The settings area is easy to navigate through, and it's easy to find settings and make adjustments. I like how the apps are integrated such that you can push a button on the remote control and they pop up and you can make a selection in that manner. But I wanted to share with you some details about the TV, some specs and so forth. And I don't have the specs committed to memory, so I have my notes here and I will just read the basics. The resolution is 3840 by 2160. It has a frame rate of 120. There are 2 USB ports. It has 3 HDMI ports. It has a digital optical audio output. So it has a Wi-Fi connection, I mentioned that, and you can connect it to the internet by an Ethernet connection. So this is being internet capable. This smart TV has a browser that's integrated into the TV. It uses the Web OS system, and so that's going to be useful. I haven't tried out the browser yet, but I'm looking forward to that. It has a 16 by 9 screen ratio, and this has a digital tuner integrated into the TV. So it's 27.8 inches high and 43.7 inches in terms of width. And specifically, the weight is 25.1 pounds. So the TV is loaded with a lot of features, and naturally it makes sense that the remote control would have buttons that correspond to some of the features. That's the way these smart TVs and the remotes work. As an example, this remote, it's busy. It's got a lot going on. I mean, it's got an Amazon button, a dedicated button for Netflix, and there are buttons that I don't even know what they do. You've got these color-coded, these color organized buttons, red with a 1 dot, green with 2, yellow with 3, and blue with 4. I don't know what that means. I don't know what any of that means. The home button, I know what that is. I love that button. It takes you back to the home page as you would expect, or the home screen, and that's where at the very bottom of the screen you have these pop-ups. Here's a menu selection, and you have the apps and the key features of the TV are there, and you can make selections using the arrows on the remote control. I mean, a lot of this, admittedly, is straightforward. I think it's mainly, and it's not as busy as I guess I initially said. It's just that I'm not comfortable with it. I don't have a firm familiarity with this. I'm looking at, there's some buttons I don't know what they are. So in time, I will. But overall, I really like the TV. I just can't say enough about the picture quality. And we got this TV at a very reasonable price. I got it from, I think I mentioned PC Richard and Sons? PC Richards? I don't know. PC Richard and Son, I think. And we got the TV for $380 some. I think that's a fantastic deal. Anyway, having said all of that, it's a great TV. Suavington.